Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Jason Brown again, and I'm here this time to show you how to make a Facebook business page from beginning to end. All right, we're going to go over what you need to have to set it up, what you're going to need to do once you have it set up, and I'm going to show you step by step from beginning to end once I start sharing my screen how to build a Facebook page for your business. That way you can run some ads. All right, so here we go. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get it. All right, so here I am again, as promised. I'm going to share my screen with you, and I'm going to show you exactly how to build a Facebook business page, okay? Just before I start, I want to let you know that I do have 3 little French Bulldog puppies, okay? So if you hear any kind of barking or something, I'm very sorry, but, you know, they're awake and they want to play, and I'm trying to, you know, take care of business in here, so they're not very happy. I just wanted to please bear with me on that, and here we go. So here is a personal page of mine. This is one that I actually use for recruiting in the Navy. Okay, so as you can see, this is just a personal page. All right, I'm going to show you how to build your business page so that way you can run ads. Okay, so anything you see on here, please don't you know, judge me too hard. Okay, I am a real person, so oh my God, I sound so crazy. Hey, please don't do that. All right, we don't have time for that. We're gonna get straight to the point here. Okay, so here we are. We're going to go down to Explore, okay? You're going to go to Pages, all right? If you don't see it, go down to Explore and click on See More, and it should show you Pages, okay? I just happen to use Pages a lot, so it just happens to show up on mine first, all right? You're going to click on that. You're going to go ahead and go to Create Page, okay? It's going to be up here in the top right corner, all right? So you go to the top right corner, you click on that, and now you're going to see this screen. This screen is going to show you one of 2 things. You're either going to be a business or brand, or you can start a community or public figure, okay? The public figure community is if you're going to start something for like your small town, or if you're going to start something for like you being a real estate agent or something. It's really just going to be very personal, but you're going to be reaching out to a lot of people in a business sense, all right? The business or brand is going to be if you're trying to actually build up a brand or a business, or something like that. So that's the one we're going to go with here, and we are going to call it We Are Ads. Okay, just simple as that. I mean, that's random, I know, but just for the sake of this video, that's what we're going to do. And you want to make sure that when you come up with this name, it's something that you can use across all platforms of social media. So Instagram, at We Are Ads on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, you'll be at We Are Ads. Social media, Snapchat, any of that stuff, that's what you want to have, because if one person goes to somewhere and types in We Are Ads, you want everything of yours to pop up. You can't have a bunch of random names out there and expect people to remember all of those names. But if you have that one name everywhere, the chances of people remember that are a lot higher, okay? So it's going to have you choose a category. Right now we're just focusing on ads. So we're going to go to advertising and marketing or advertising agency, either one. Right here we'll go to advertising and marketing, okay? This is going to ask you to put in your home address or your business address, whatever it is, and a phone number, okay? So you don't have to put in a phone number, but you do have to put in an address. So all you got to do really is just put in like 123 Happy Street, all right? And then put in like some random town, whatever you want to put in there, okay? Just click on it and it's fine. Put don't show my address and it will never show your address. If you're starting this for a small business that's local, then you obviously want to put a local address in here and make sure that it does show your address. That way people can find you, okay? Keep that in mind. When we're moving forward, once all that is done, okay, and only when all that is done, it's going to move you up to these next 2 pages, all right? These next 2 pages are very important. It's going to ask you to add a profile picture, okay? This is your opportunity to shine, because if you don't have a profile picture, you don't look legitimate and no one's going to care what you have to say. You can have a profile picture and people might still not care what you have to say. It is very important that your profile picture represents everything else that's going on your page, okay? So for instance, I'll go over here and I'll show you one of my consulting pages, okay? And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about with everything leading to the same conclusion. All right, so this company is called the Ad Guru. It's for my digital marketing agency and advertising consultancy. All right. As soon as it loads, I'll show you exactly what I mean. But the profile picture feeds into the cover picture, okay? The cover photo tells you exactly what this business is about. All right, it captures your attention. The first thing you see, you look at it, you're like, okay, it says that professional digital marketing. All right, so you know that when you come to this page, you are on a digital marketing page, all right? That's something that you want to make sure that your cover photo does for you, because you don't want people to have to scroll and look through this at all. You want to be able to see right here what this page is all about. The profile photo should directly complement the cover photo right here, okay? Make sure that your profile photo is professional. Obviously, I don't have a headshot up here. I'm not that pretty, okay? But I want to make sure that it's professional. So I have this type logo going on, and it says right here as well, digital marketing consultant. Okay, so you see here clearly this page is about digital marketing. All right, once you scroll down a little bit, you'll see that I have my services here, digital marketing consultation. Okay, it's just one of those little things. You have your about over here. And then you have, some of the photos you've posted, how many people like and follow this page, your phone number. Go ahead and give me a call if you want to, whatever. I linked to my YouTube channel right here, and what you are, what you've been doing, and everything like that. So just for the example, for the sake of this, that's what I wanted to show you is when I say add a profile picture and a good cover photo that are relevant and teach people what you're about, that's why, okay? So we're just going to skip these for the sake of this video. And then as soon as that's done, it's going to take us to our actual page, okay? And once we get to our actual page, I'll give you a couple tips and tricks about what we need to do once we're there. All right, so it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. This is your brand new page, okay? This is We Are Ads. Over here, it's going to give you like an at name. So you are at We Are Ads, okay? You'll change your cover or your profile picture here. You can change your cover photo here, and then you can add your button. If you want people to send you a message, then you're going to want to change this button to send a message. And once you get further down the road, you can watch another one of my videos that's going to be about how to set up a bot. That way you don't actually have to respond to these messages that people send you. They can send them to you, and then you will just have the bot respond with things that you've already set up in an autoresponder, okay? That's going to be pretty awesome. I have it set up on this page, and once you are on my Ad Guru page, and once you send a message to that page, it automatically puts you on an email list for that bot. Okay, so that's one good way to build up your audience. So here, I clicked add button over here, and these are all the different buttons you can have. You can do the book with you, you can contact you, learn more about your business, shop with you, download an app, so on and so forth. We're not going to do any of that. We're just going to be very simple and go to send message. Okay, that way people see right at the top, hey, send me a message, ask me a question. Okay, and you can set up your whole page to be based around getting people to ask you a question. All right. So you want to set it up to where when people go to send you a message, it goes to Messenger. All right, that is finished. Finito. All right, it's over. That part is done. Okay, done. All right, so now it says send message up here. So you want to like your own page, obviously, okay? Here's where you could share it to any other groups or anyone that you know that you want them to come and look at your page. You could share it anyway here. You can do any of this stuff. And then right there is your ads manager. So now that you have a business page created, you can go on over there to your ads manager, and then you can start creating ads, okay? That is a big deal, okay? So make sure you remember where that is. Once that's done, a big tip here, all right? The tip, it's very important, is to put at least 10 pieces of valuable content on this page before you ever invite one single person to look at it, okay? Because this is what your page looks like, right here. Empty. Just desolate and dying and just empty, okay? And nobody that you invite is going to want to come and look at this. But But if you put at least 10 pieces of content on here, it's going to fill this feed up right here. All right. That way, when people come and look at your page, they might just scroll down a little bit. They'll see some content. Oh, okay. Yeah, he's got stuff going on. He's active. He's doing stuff. All right, cool. They might not be like, wow, he just uploaded all those like 5 minutes ago. Oh my gosh. Oh no, that's weird. No. All right. Just think about the legitimacy of having content. And so just make sure that when you're creating this, have 10 pieces of good content to upload on here. That way, if somebody comes and looks at your page and they scroll through it, they're like, okay, this guy might provide me content and value now, or he might provide me value and content in the future. Okay, that's what this is all about. So once that's done, you're going to be good to go. Okay, so just remember that if you are setting one of these up, you're going to want to follow that step by step. You're going to want to have a good profile photo. You want to have a good relevant and informative cover photo, which you can make with sites like Snappa or with Canva. And I'll make a video on how to do both of those here later on very soon in the future, actually, and make sure that you guys have the best setup possible to make the best page possible. Okay. So just go ahead and set that up. Let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Let me know if you know anything that I don't know that I didn't cover in this video that I can put in another video. All right. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you leave me a comment, and I would just really appreciate it if you tell me how I did. Okay. So if I helped you out, please definitely let me know. And until next time, you have a good one. All right. Hey, everybody. Thanks so much for watching the whole video. I hope that I helped you out. I hope you learned something. I hope that you can go forward from here and make a business page and be able to create your ads from there and grow and just make tons and tons of money and change people's lives as well as yours. All right. If I provided you any value, please feel free to leave a comment, to like this video, to share this video with your friends, to definitely do anything you can to let me know that I helped you, because that's all I'm here to do, is to help you. I don't get paid for YouTube. I don't have these videos monetized. So realistically, it is just for you. So it would mean a lot to me if you leave a comment and tell me if I helped you, if I could change anything, what you'd like to see next. And definitely, please don't forget to subscribe. It always makes me feel good to see I have a new subscriber. So thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video that I have coming out, which will be very soon, and you won't want to miss that. All right. So I'll see you guys then.